Hello Galaxy, or should I say hello Galaxy, because this video is all about my new Galaxy smartwatch, the Watch 6. I had to verify, and for some reason Samsung could not afford an extra space between the word watch and 6. So it's the Watch 6 that I'm wearing. I have been wearing Samsung smartwatches since, I think, the 4? Is that the first one I wore? I'm moving from a 5 Pro, which had amazing battery life. Unfortunately, my use case was such that I would never really, get close to running out of battery life. I would charge it every night before going to bed, sometimes sleeping with it, sometimes without. Either way, I would always start the day with a full charge on my watch. So battery life was not a huge win for me. I decided to forego the Watch 5 Pro, or really sell it for what should be a $200 credit, an upgrade to the Watch 6, if only because it's slightly faster. And yes, I do see a difference. It is slightly more responsive. It is running, this new watch, running Wear OS 4, although older Samsung smartwatches will also get that software upgrade. It's the fluidity that I was really hoping would be better, and it is better. It is more fluid. Now, having a smartwatch, a health tracker, doesn't necessarily make you healthy. I have gotten my 10,000 steps in, plus 10,000 today, and I'm sick. I'm feeling a little under the weather right now and a little warm. But either way, I've been wearing these for a while. I do carry the phones there and the tablets. I'll be talking about the new tablet here in another day or so. But either way, this gets a thumbs up for me. I'm very happy I upgraded. Would recommend the upgrade from anybody who's happy with what Samsung produces in smartwatches.